right, guys, today is the end of our chapter with fractions and decimals and all the terrible things. Today we're wrapping up and we're solving equations that involve decimals. Okay, so solving equations containing fractions. Okay, so this is going to be two things we're dealing with today. One, solving equations, and two, fractions. First, let's solve equations. When we solve equations, we want to do what? We want to get variable by itself. And we do that by doing the opposite of the problem. Do the opposite of the problem here in order to get the variable by itself. So if we had something like x minus 3 equals 7, we do the opposite of minus 3, which is plus 3. Come over here and plus 3. Whoops. That gives us x equals 10. Right, so we know all about doing the opposites. We're good at doing the opposites of things. And we know how to do math with fractions, hopefully. We've talked quite a bit about doing our math with fractions, and so today we're going to be putting these things together. We're going to be solving equations that look like x plus 2/5 equals 3/10. Okay, so we're going to come over here. We're going to minus 2/5 minus 2/5. Remember, in order to minus, same denominator. So let's make this one 4/10. Now we have 3/10 minus 4/10 is -1. 3 minus 4 is -1. 10 stays the same. X equals -1/10. All right, it's all going to work the same that we know how to make it work. Nothing about this is going to be new. We're going to be adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing our fractions to make them work. Okay, let's say we had 1/3 p equals 6. So this is 1/3 times p. We're going to divide by 1/3. Divide by 1/3. This becomes 6/1 divided by 1/3. When we divide, we keep, flip. 6/1 times 3/1. 6 times 3 is 18/1. 18 divided by 1 is 18. P equals 18. All right, I know you are looking at this and I'm sure you're wondering, what the heck am I doing? What is happening? I don't know. We're going to do some practice. We're going to work through it. I'm coming back soon so we can talk all about this in person. I'm sorry that I haven't been there to help you with your fractions. I know that that's been a thing that's been hard for you, but I really want you to focus on this right here, getting the variable all by itself by doing the opposite of the problem. When we write our work out, when we write problems out with pencil and paper and do all the things we're supposed to do, it does actually make our work a little bit easier to deal with. Okay, so tomorrow, write your problems out. Do all of your problems so that you can be successful. I believe in you. Work hard, and I will see you when I come back.